Hello, I'm going to read the email that I received from user testing. Thank you for completing your first test. Please note that this test was unique because it was in the format of a survey. Remember, the more you explain why you do things and what you are expecting, the more useful your video will be for the customer. In addition, there were audio issues on your tests. Wow. I used my work computer. That is why there were issues probably. And I had on a headset so that no one else could hear me recording. Anyway, the yellow warning bar on the user testing screen recorder was present throughout your review, indicating an audio issue. So I'm trying to resolve it by recording this audio right now on my home computer. And hopefully I will be able to upload and publish the recording for you to listen to. So that is why I am here, to correct and update my audio tests so that I can start using user testing again. Thank you so much.